Hello, this is Dominic. Today I wanted to show you a quick video on how to create a new task using Timed In. Currently in the dashboard, we're going to go on the left navigation bar, create, go to the task table. Here we have our task table with the accounts, the task names, the hours, the dates, the managers, the statuses. Over here on the left side you have the delete record, the edit record, and the view record. On the top you have export buttons. You got export to Excel, export to PDF, you have print, refresh, delete selected, and add a new record. So we're going to add a new record. Now we have our new task form. We're going to look up our client because everything is related. So we need a client, it's Vanguard Solution, and we're going to give it a name, video for Timed In. Here you can put a bigger description if you want to, but alright, here we have a start date. We're going to put the 18th, and then I'm going to show you the task activation, which is related to the start date. We have a due date, let's say of the 23rd. Budget hours, always important to put a budget hours. It helps with your tracking, gives you percentage of completion. Also, here we have task owner. So even if you have a admin create your task, you can still be the owner of the task. Here you can add a manager. So we're going to add Sing as the manager, and I'll show you what it does. Now we have task status. When you have 4 status, you got not started, in progress, on hold, or completed. By default, it's not started, and it will automatically change to in progress when the task activation criteria are met. It will become on hold when the user select that he's finished with the task, and it will become completed when the managers decide that the task is completed. So now we have a start date. There's 3 options for start date. You have on start date, which is basically Monday here, the 18th. So what happens is at Monday morning, the task will appear on the user's dashboard saying that there's a new task for them to see. They can see the record, or you can have it show immediately. So today is the 16th, so the task would appear immediately on their dashboard. Or you can also use the prior to start date option. So if you do prior to start date option, you have another field here to fill out, which let's say we do 1 day prior. So if we do 1 day prior, it would be the 19th that the start date would happen. So if you save this now, it won't be in the dashboard. If we did 2 days prior, which would be the 16th, we save it, create our task, and here with the task you have all the related tables. Once you start creating expenses, they will appear here, and assignees, you can also assign other users to this task. So we have Timed In video. We're going to assign a user. Let's pick Neil Diamond. And these other field here, they should remain blank. They will be auto-filled as the events occurs on the app, and The reason why it's here now is because they can be edited by the admin. Let's say the task, Neil says that the task is completed, and the manager goes and double check the task and it's not, then the admin can go back into this record here and remove the completed time and uncheck the completed button so the task can become active again and the user can go back and finish the task. Here we're going to go save, go back to detail. So here you got, again, you got your expense, you got your assignees, and you're going to have all your timesheets. So everything is connected to this task. So when you print this task, you'll have all the reports of all the materials, all the timesheets, everybody that worked on that task. So let's go back to the dashboard. Now it's very important that the dashboard gets refreshed after you create a new task. Okay, here we go, and our new task is created right here. So we have our task. Here you can see if you had a parent account. Let's say your client has many clients, you can show it here, and then here you have your task. So if you click on this, you would go back to the task view, and here is my dashboard, so it shows me as being the task owner. If you're a manager, you're going to get a different icon. You're going to be a task manager here, and if you're a user, that means you're going to get no little icon here. Here's the in progress. So as your timesheets filled up your budget, it will show a percentage here of percentage completion. So this has been a look at how to create a task in TimeDin. Thank you.